Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to go backup, reset and restore the configuration of mikrotik. So in this video I will show you why the mikrotik that in the VMware. So now I connect to my mikrotik and ping the Google that I can access the internet. It means that my current mikrotik I already configured it, so I wanna reset it. So you can see it my IP address of mikrotik. So we have two IP, one is Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. For the Ethernet 2 is the internet, and Ethernet 1 for sharing to my local in VMware. The Ethernet 2 is I sharing the internet from my computer, so I put it WAN, and Ethernet 1 is LAN, that I can share the internet from mikrotik to the PC in the VMware. So this is the full internet that I give for the HCP to give to the client in the VMware. So it's the IP DHCP from the mikrotik. So I wanna back up the file. So we go to the file and click on backup. So we had the name and the password, so I put the name for my backup file. Okay, my backup test, and this I need to type my password. Okay, so in here you can encrypt or don't want to encrypt the file. So the backup you can copy it to your computer or keep in the mikrotik also okay, because when we reset it don't delete the file that you backup. Okay, now I wanna reset the configuration. So I will pull it to my desktop. Okay, it asks to confirm that we want to reset or not. So the mikrotik restart, and just wait a minute, we can reconnect it. So okay, it should be start because it already start. Now you can see the IP of mikrotik. So the default IP address from mikrotik is. Now I will show you that I cannot access internet because the configuration already reset. so the internet doesn't work. Yeah, the internet is not work. So I want to show you what IP that my PC has right now. So this one. Okay, the IP is not yet released because it's still so I will disable the adapter and enable again to obtain the new IP. Yeah, because in the mikrotik we don't have set the DHCP, so we cannot get the IP from the mikrotik because our mikrotik already reset the configuration. So now I wanna restore my configuration. Okay, if you wanna restore as just do as me. Go to file and select file you want to restore and select and click restore. Now it should be restored back, but the IP is the same. Okay, because I use the default IP of mikrotik in Ethernet 1 in the LAN. So I think everything is come back because we already restored the configuration. So internet should be can you. So it's a little bit slow because the VM machine is a little bit slow. So now internet is back again. It means that we already restored the configuration back. Okay, we can get the DHCP IP from the mikrotik. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video.